Namaskar. My name is Ravindra Grover and welcome to my YouTube channel. I have received quite a few questions regarding retrogression. People wanted me to talk about retrogression of one particular planet. Let's talk about Saturn, which is about to get retrograde on 11th of May, and it will keep doing so till 29th of September 2020. First thing, question was asked, what does Saturn represent? Saturn represents restrictions, regulations, discipline, structures, boundaries, self-control, karmic debts, delays, frustrations, career, business, labor class people, people who have to work with the hand, who have to sweat to do some job. Planet is also known as the planet of Saturn is also known as the planet of responsibilities, you must understand, and the planet of karma and time. What does the retrogression here means? I did talk about that before. Retrogression means going backward. Actually, planet does not go backward physically as such. It's the optical illusion. It seems, it appears that it's going backward because of the optical illusion. Because how the other planets are moving around the sun. But let's for instance take this. Literally retrogression means going backward. Let's take it in that manner. What does it mean to us? First thing, as I gave the example before, let me find out something here. I got two pieces of wood here. Let's talk about this. It's a car which is moving this direction. There's another car you're driving. You're moving here. And you're moving faster than this car. You overtake that. When you overtake this, and you look at the rear mirror, you'll find this car will seem like going backward. Though it's not going backward, it's still moving ahead, forward. But because this particular car, your car, is moving faster than other car, you will feel that it's going backward. Other way of explaining could be, you are going somewhere. Let us say you're going somewhere. You're coming from here. This is the coffee shop. You come here. You stop in the coffee shop. You go hand cup of coffee, spend some time. Now you are moving forward to your destination. After moving for a while, you realize you did forget something. Oh my God, you forgot your travel document. How are you going to travel now? What do? You make a U-turn, go back, come back here, pick up the document, and then resume your journey. Same way, the planet, when it says retrograde or backward, is giving you a second option. It's giving you the second opportunity. Now is the time to rewind yourself, going backward to the position you start retrograding, going backward, reviewing yourself, revising everything, coming back with a renewed approach, with a more positive approach, with more enthusiasm, with more, I will say, positiveness, with self-awareness. Saturn is a planet which causes a lot of challenges. And I always say life is a challenge. Meet it. Life is full of challenges. Every day you go through different challenges. But when planet is going backward, it's giving you more challenges. Somebody asked me a question here, why me? Why only I have to suffer? Why me? Why not this person? Why not that person? Why me? Can I ask you something? Why not you? You are saying why me, I'm saying why not you? See, try to understand what is the objective of the particular planet Saturn, the planet of karma, planet of the structure, planet of boundaries, planet of self-control, planet of discipline, It's going backward. What message is given to the layman? It's saying that now you have come to a point, or say the planet of time, planet of karma, planet of karmic depth believes that it's about time you should step up. You should move ahead, move higher, move upper, you evolve. It's giving you the opportunity to go to the next level, to become hero, not zero. Would you like this golden opportunity to go in vain? Now you got the opportunity, you got a chance to prove yourself. Yes, alert, alert. But Saturn is retrograding, normally it's very frustrating. Just like you got a new sports car and you really want to go for a test drive, but you can't. The road you are driving is got lot of bumps, lot of speed breakers, lot of road work going on. And you say, oh my God, I've got the sports car, new car, I really want to enjoy the drive, but I can't because the road is bumpy. So same happens with this planet Saturn. What it does is, that it asks you to slow down, right? Slow down a bit. Rewind, go back. Look at your karma. Look at the actions you performed. Look at the business or career approach you're taking. Look at the time management techniques you have got. Plan better for the future. And then come forward. Question is, how do I introspect? 3-step approach I always talk about. One is rewind, go backward. Go backward, review, think about it, introspect. Where did you go wrong? What you should have done? What you missed out? What you lapsed? Why you didn't do properly? How you can make it better? Impartially introspecting. Then come forward with the renewed approach, positive approach, with more self-awareness. Normally, the challenges you face, of course there will be some challenges when you're reviewing it. What happens? The challenges are basically when I sit down and try to contemplate and go within myself and ask questions to myself, shall I do this or shall I not do this? The mind will pop in. Mind will give you all the arguments, all the justifications in the world to fulfill your desire, your latent desire, your intense desires. Whatever you've been wanting to do, it will find the justification. It will justify somehow. Go and do this. That may not be the right approach, because you're talking to the mind, which is nothing more than the bundle of desires. And your intent desire pop in, your vasanas, your impressions of any past life latent in you will pop up. So therefore they say, when you really want to do introspecting, you need to talk to your buddhi, the intellect, not the mind. There's a fine line between the voice of the mind and voice of the intellect, and that comes to experience. Basically, if you do, that's why I use the word impartially. Okay. Generally, I'm just talking about general things. If you really want me to look at the individual chart, basically every chart will be different depending on your date, time or place of birth. And I can do that professionally. If you want me to, you can go to my website www.ravindragrover.com and ask many questions. But generally speaking, all we are trying to say is, during the time of Saturn, it's asking you to, if you're indecisive, you cannot make certain decisions, listen to your intuitions, not to your mind. Now, what are the areas of life you need to review? How do I know what I need to review? Then the question comes in. I don't have your particular chart, no customized chart, no personal chart. But if I look at the chart of the entire globe, entire world, it says this is the time to take responsibility for our own actions, becoming more responsible now, especially in the time of COVID, not leaving any avenue which allows to spread the virus further. Litigation says, come on, restructure your business, restructure your career, replan and implement properly. Become more matured in your approach. Be wiser in life. Look at your time management technique. Find time to serve the society. That is the job of the Saturn too. With your inherent, with your special talent, what you've got. Now, when is the right time? When is the right time to put the renewed plan into action? Basically, if you got a good plan, you can put in action any time. But astrologically speaking, from 11th of May till 29th of September, the time to review and renew the plans. Then around 4th of October to 4th of January 21 is the time when you can put all the plan into action. Conclusion. This period, as I said, 11th May to 29th of September is the time for rewinding, reviewing and renewing, as I said earlier. And also make sure that you do the right thing. At the end, I want to talk about one important quotations which I love it. You are free. You have a free will to do any karma you want to. You have a free will to any karma you want to do that pleases you. But remember, my friend, you are not free from the consequences of the karma you have done. Therefore, be wise, review yourself, review your all actions, all business plan, all career plan, restructure your life, entire life. This is the time you got now, which will come for 3 to 4 months, and that will honestly help you to evolve, become more wiser in time to come. Cheers, all the best.